Installing your new seat covers couldn't be any easier. In some vehicles, seat covers may require small modifications, but this video will show you all the steps for a simple install and provide you some useful tips and tricks along the way. The rear covers have two sections. Each section is labeled and the features are clearly visible. Attached is a clear plastic bag with metal clips, and you will notice elastic loops, buckles, and straps. Starting with the backrest, you will notice the buckles are on top, loops are on the left and right, and the adjustable straps are on the bottom. Now stretch the cover across the entire front of the backrest. Then tuck the straps to the crevice, and from the back side, pull the straps from the crevice and feed the straps through the buckle to adjust and secure the backrest cover. Now, you have two options to secure the covers. Attach a metal clip to the loops on the left and right sides. Option 1. Attach the clips to the straps on the back side to secure the cover in place. Option 2. Attach the metal clips to the tether bars, if equipped, to secure the fabric in place. Leave the straps slightly loose so you can make adjustments when the install is complete. The rear seat covers are only compatible with adjustable headrests. They are not compatible with permanent non-movable headrests. You have two options to secure the fabric to the top of the backrest. Option 1. For removable headrests, use scissors to cut an X opening in the cover, and then tuck the fabric around the holes in the base. Option 2. Feed the fabric under the headrest base and tuck securely in place. Tighten the adjustable buckle straps and slip the headrest covers on. Now here's how to install the bench bottom. First, stretch the fabric over the rear bench seat. Tuck the straps through the crevice, then pull them from under the seat to the front and secure the covers in place with the adjustable straps. If there is no space under your vehicle's seat bottom, then you can simply feed the straps into the crevice and tuck any remaining fabric under the seat bottom. Use a metal clip in each loop and attach it to the underside of the seat for an extra snug fit. To gain access to the seatbelt buckles, you will need to make small slits near the buckle. Then, tuck the fabric securely into the crevice and around the buckle. The rear seat covers can accommodate both solid or split bench seats. Built-in zippers allow access to the sections, and a mesh cloth cover is included to cover exposed sides. Just unzip the cloth into two separate pieces. Then use the zipper to connect the mesh piece to the cover and add the metal clips to the loops to secure it in place. Now you have two separate covers you can use to split your backrest, and two separate covers you can use to split your bench bottom. One split bench cover comes with one set of mesh pieces. Additional sets are available for purchase. It's that simple. You'll find that these versatile covers allow access to all the vehicle has to offer and more. Now you can protect your vehicle's interior in style and comfort with your easy-to-install seat covers.